Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. I just want to do a quick video here. Make it brief because I'm about to go to work. It is Thanksgiving. I want to wish y'all a happy, blessed Thanksgiving. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope y'all have a happy, blessed, fun-filled, food-filled, old school soul food Thanksgiving. And with your family, friends, and relatives. And I just want y'all to take time to just actually be thankful. A lot of things I'm thankful for throughout the year. This year, 2021, was crazy year. Started out with a crazy freeze here in the state of Texas. I'm thankful we got through it. I got through it. First of all, I'm thankful for God to give me my life, health, and strength to get up every day to go to work and do videos and cook and stuff like that, because some people are not able to, and I'm still able to do what I love at a consistent basis. Steps a little slower than it was when I was 23, but I can still get up and do with it. I'm so happy and thankful. I never take this for granted, but my mom is still here. It's amazing. I mean, she's getting, of course, her steps are slow or whatever, and I always mess with her and stuff like that. She said, baby, I don't move out there. As long as you're here, as long as you're eating, as long as you have your mind sharp as a tack, mama, hey, that's all it counts. And I'm thankful for that. I can get on the phone and call my mom. I can see that phone ring and it say mom on it. I don't take that for granted. That's special every time I see her call me. So I never take that for granted. And I'm thankful, of course, of all for y'all. Hold on, let me say one more thing. I didn't do this in which they don't care because they behind the scenes. When I did my silver medal award, I appreciate my team. I'm thankful for them. I appreciate them. I got 3 dedicated team members that work with me on a weekly basis, and they have full-time jobs just as me, but they just support this old school soul food thing as I am, and they just work just as hard. They put up with me. I'm very, very, if y'all know me on a professional basis, you can see in my cooking, I'm very attentive to detail, and I'm very, very adamant about the way things are done and stuff like that. And I have to be like that because I'm not a perfectionist, but I'm very adamant and attention to detail, and they know that because I want only the best, and I want to try to be the best and put the best I can out there and be the best person I can be. And we all have our Christian values, and they're very awesome team. So I'm very thankful for them. And last but not least, I'm thankful for y'all love and support throughout the days, weeks, and months, and years. Some people have been with me till day one, and some people just got on board. Those new subscribers and new family members, as I call y'all, welcome to the Old School Soul Food family. I'm very thankful for y'all. I don't take y'all for granted or nothing. The emails, the texts, not the direct messages, the letters, the gifts, the monetary donations. I take none of that for granted. I appreciate that all. I wish I could see each and every one of you. Of course, that's humanly impossible, but I try to respond. I do. I respond to every email, every text, every direct message, and everything. I try to do that out of common courtesy. That's just the country boy in me. But I'm really thankful for y'all. So I want y'all to go out and on this stream here in the comments, let me know what y'all making today. And also you can email. I love getting pictures. A lot of people do this. Send me pictures of your food. On Facebook, I know you can send pictures in my direct in my message button. Instagram, you can email me on Instagram. Not email me, but to message me on Instagram with pictures. And you can definitely email me at chefjeff@oldschoolsoulfood.com. Email me the pictures. And that does me well, because like I say, I got a long day today. It's dark right now. When I'm leaving right now, it's going to be dark pretty much when I get home this afternoon. So yeah. So I really appreciate y'all love and support, and I take nothing for granted. So y'all have an awesome Thanksgiving. I love y'all. Y'all be blessed, be safe. Y'all get ready because December's coming up, and like I say, Christmas videos gonna be absolutely amazing. I got cookies and like cranberry bread, banana bread, different kind of Christmas cookies, a lot of more side items to go. So yeah, it's gonna be a awesome upcoming. So anyway, love y'all. Y'all take care. Have a happy Thanksgiving with your family, friends, co-workers, or whatever. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.